Hi, John Czapko, Thrive Insurance Group. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I wanted to talk about an often overlooked but really important piece of the insurance stack, which is Employment Practices Liability Insurance, or EPLI. And I want to talk about why that's an important piece of your business insurance portfolio. So Employment Practices Liability Insurance, or EPLI, which is what we'll refer to it as through this video, is really important for a few things for your business. Number one, according to Hiscox, which is a pretty big insurer in the marketplace, niche insurer, and fits a really specific need in the market. According to Hiscox, the average claim for EPLI damages is in the $160,000 range. So we have big settlements. GL, it's in the $30,000, $40,000 range. E&O in the $50,000, $60,000 range. In Employment Practices Liability Insurance, it's in the $160,000 range. So we're talking big settlements here. So we need to make sure that we have coverage for employee practices and how we deal with those within our business. So EPLI covers a few things within your business. Number one, it helps with employment practices issues, whether it's discrimination, whether it's harassment, whether it's wrongful termination type things. It's really key for protecting your business from those practices within your organization. Number two, employment practices issues are increasing year over year. Over the past 5 years, according to some industry sources that I was able to poll, EPLI cases are increasing at the rate of 12% per year. So these are growing as we move to different workforce environments, work from home, remote workforce situations, different challenges within the workforce, graying of the industries, whatever those may happen to be. There's different dynamics that are happening. So we need to be aware of these things within our environment. And then the last thing that EPLI covers, which is really important, is it doesn't just cover settlements and judgments, it covers the legal defense costs. And that's where these really come into play and really benefit your organization. Whether these are unfounded claims or not, the legal defense costs really boil up and really start stacking up within an organization. So this can really help your organization. EPLI is relatively inexpensive, maybe $1,000 to a couple $1,000s a year, depending on the size of your organization, your payroll, revenue, industry, employee count. It's based on a few different factors. It's not like work comp in that you have to do reporting payroll every quarter or every month or however you set your comp up for. You do it as set it and you pay for it once and you pay for your annual renewal and you do your calculations that way. So a little different than comp, but it's a similar type model from a payroll reporting perspective at the end of the year. So we want to make sure that we have those things right. So a couple hacks to help with EPLI. Make sure that you have an HR manual. Make sure that that manual is up to date. The franchisees have this within their FDD, so they have a leg up. But if you're a standalone business that is not a franchisee, make sure you have an HR manual in place. Number two, make sure you're communicating these HR practices to your employees regularly. We recommend when you're doing your safety briefings, when you're doing your culture of safety within your organization, talk about your HR updates. Make sure your employees are updated with the latest policies and procedures that you may have. That's a really good time to communicate this. And then lastly, make sure you're communicating any changes or updates within your business to your local insurance broker or agent, and making sure those are being bubbled up to your insurer. It's important to communicate those things as those are happening within EPLI to make sure your coverage is up to date and covered properly. So if you have any other questions on this, make sure you're working with your local broker or your local agent. It's important to have this coverage in place to protect your business. If you have any other questions, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you. Reach out to us via Facebook, via email, via YouTube. Remember, thrive today, protect tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching our channel and have a great day.